Hey, this is Doug Nilsen with Accurate Fishing Products. It's another episode of the quarantine series. And hey, there's only a few of these probably coming out now because we're almost done, hopefully, with this quarantine with the virus. So anyways, we thought we'd talk today a little bit about lubing your reel after you're done fishing. Very important. I mean, if you do the right type of maintenance on your reel, you'll have a lot less problems. So here's what we do. We use Reel X or Corrosion X. We highly recommend this product. So pretty much when we're done fishing, after you do kind of a light rinse on this thing, just go ahead and dry it off, and then let's start lubing everything. So normally we start over here with the knob, put a little bit inside of here, put a little bit here, give it a little bit of a turn. Do your 2-speed mechanism, a little bit inside of here, a little bit on the lever. Go ahead and pop it in and out of gear a few times. Make sure the oil kind of percolates down into the parts. Then most important is your tension cam adjustment. Go ahead and pull it out of gear. Turn this thing up so that you can see the O-ring, the black O-ring that's inside of here. Once you see it, go ahead and put a little bit of oil all the way around it. Go ahead and put it back in again. Make sure it's kind of working in real well. This is the most important part about lubing your reel because a lot of times a little bit of salt gets in there and all of a sudden you go to use your reel after a few weeks sitting there and all of a sudden you'll feel that this tension cam adjustment will not move. It's locked. And even if it does happen, what you could do is put a little Corrosion X on there and typically running out of gear, it'll loosen up again. But if you just do this every time, it'll really help you. Then I go ahead and put a little bit of oil on the clicker, flip it over, put a little bit around your studs, put some around these screws right here. And then last but not least, I'll do a little bit on your screw heads all the way around. And that's it. And like I said, if you do this every trip, become part of your routine on all your reels, the reels will work a lot better. You'll have a lot less problems with it, and you'll be surprised at how much better the performance is on the reel, and it's just a lot less issues. Most of you guys have a 2-year warranty on your reels. If you ever feel like there's something wrong or you're worried about it, send the reel in. We'll take a look at it. If there's something wrong, we'll fix it. Otherwise, we'll send it right back to you. So anyways, thanks for listening. Stay strong, stay safe, and get out there fishing.